oníṣẹ́ ọjọ́ méje mo rí wípé wọ́n pa obìnrin ọ̀gá àgbà akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ obìnrin tó ṣe fídíò táwọn bandits ń lò tó ń gò fara yẹn mo rí pé wọ́n pa láàrin oníṣẹ́ ọjọ́ méje ẹgbẹ́ ìrábà mi ní eléyìí kì í ṣe ìrántí ẹnikẹ́ni gbọ́dọ̀ ṣàbàdà lé lórí ẹ jẹ́ ká kún fún àdúrà bàbá àṣírí ìràwọ̀ lórúkọ tèmi sà wọ́n bí ìran tí olúwa fi hàn mí òun ni mo sọ sà ìjọba nàìjíríà ẹ má jọ pa obìnrin yìí o ìjọba Ọ̀yọ́ state ẹ má jọ pa obìnrin yìí àkókò yóò kì í ṣe àkókò tí Sunday Igboho yóò máa bá Gani Adams àti Gani Adams yóò máa bá Sunday Igboho jà táwọn àmọ̀tẹ́kùn tí wọ́n jọ máa bára wọn jà àkókò tí gbogbo wa gbọ́dọ̀ parapọ̀ papọ̀ tá gbọ́dọ̀ wá gbogbo ọ̀nà láàrin oníṣẹ́ ọjọ́ méje wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ lọ gbà wọ́n sílẹ̀ if not wọ́n máa pa obìnrin yìí o wọ́n pa obìnrin láàrin oníṣẹ́ ọjọ́ méje.
ìran yóò gbọ́dọ̀ ṣẹ o mo gbàdúrà fún gbogbo ojú tó ń wo fídíò yìí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí níkànnì Olójúsọ́ọ̀sì TV pé ìran burúkú àlá burúkú àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ burúkú kò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ wa lórí tẹbí tará wa o ẹ wo àwọn kidnappers tí wọ́n kó àwọn èèyàn ní Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ tí wọ́n kó ọmọléèwé 39 tí wọ́n kó olùkọ́ 7 tí wọ́n pa ẹ̀kan bẹ̀ wọ́n ti scam ìjọba Ọ̀yọ́ o wọ́n ti gómìnà Ọ̀yọ́ wọ́n ti scam wọn o wọ́n béèrè ransom ìjọba gómìnà Seyi Makinde wọ́n fi ránṣẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ò fi àwọn èèyàn wọ̀nyí sílẹ̀ o wọ́n ò fi wọ́n sílẹ̀ ṣé wàhálà ò ti wà báyìí ṣé wàhálà ò ti dé báyìí wọn ò gbọ́dọ̀ pa ẹnikẹ́ni mọ́ o àgbàdúrà kan pa ẹnikẹ́ni mọ́ gbọ́ ohun tí wòlíì sọ ṣé ó lè jẹ́ òótọ́ bí ẹ jẹ́ n fi fídíò sílẹ̀ fún yín kẹ́ wá lọ wo bí fídíò ẹ̀ bó ṣe fìdí ẹ̀ múlẹ̀ wípé wọ́n scam gómìnà Seyi Makinde o àwọn kidnappers pé wọ́n scam ẹ̀ o fearless talkers òun náà dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o ẹ bá mi ṣí ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ viral gan o níbo la wá ń lọ báyìí kí ni a ó ṣe báyìí kọ́ lọ́run kó gbà wá o gbogbo ẹ̀yin akíkanjú ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àkókò lélẹ̀ fún yín láti fìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan o kì í ṣe láti máa bára yín jà ó yá lókè lọ́hùn.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n kidnap ní Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ àti àwọn tíṣà wọn update ti wà ní orí ẹ̀ according to Very Dark Man ó lóun receive information wípé Ọ̀yọ́ state government ti san ransom láti fi secure release àwọn tí wọ́n kidnap ní Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ó ní pé ṣùgbọ́n lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí wọ́n san ransom fún wọn ó ní àwọn kidnapper yẹn refuse láti release àwọn tí wọ́n kidnap nílùú Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ wọ́n dẹ̀ tún ti gba owó ní ọwọ́ Ọ̀yọ́ state government ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ṣe ti wá rí i pé pìtìpìtì ń ṣẹlẹ̀ òní ló pé 50 days tí àwọn aráabí ti wà ní kidnappers den tí àwọn kidnapper dẹ̀ yarí tí wọ́n láwọn ò ní fi wọ́n sílẹ̀ gbà tí mo rí information yìí mo wò pé kí ló lè máa ṣẹlẹ̀ kí ló lè fà á tó fi já wípé wọ́n gba ransom wọn dẹ̀ tún release àwọn èèyàn tẹ́ bá rántí nínú àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n demand fún wọn ní àwọn fẹ́ gba àwọn leaders àwọn tí wọ́n wà ní ìkáwọ́ government ìyẹn tí wọ́n sọ wípé wọ́n wà ní Agbodi prison bóyá òun ló fà á tí wọ́n tútù fi release àwọn tí wọ́n kidnap tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ rántí lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná mo sọ nǹkan kan mo ní pé tí wọ́n bá máa rí àwọn ọmọ rescue mo ní it will be a forceful rescue bẹ́ẹ̀ ni we can't deny that fact. It will be a forceful rescue. We are talking about terrorists. Terrorists will not surrender easily. That's just the fact. The government bá ti mọ̀ wípé àwọn ò lè release àwọn èèyàn àwọn terrorists tí wọ́n demand fún, which is not also advisable for the government to release them. In as much the government bá ti mọ̀ wípé lóòótọ́ o terrorists ni wọ́n, then it is advisable that the government should not release them, and we should use that to understand that basic fact. Wípé definitely it's gonna be a forceful rescue. Lóòótọ́ la gbọ́ wípé wọ́n ti ń lo forceful rescue pé but àwọn government ń fail. A gbọ́ wípé lieutenant army kan ti kú lé lórí, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn sójà ti kú, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ti kú níbi tán ti ń try láti lo forceful rescue. Then òun náà la fi sọ wípé ethics spiritual bọ̀ ìdí tẹ̀ fífẹ́ involve bàbá Sunday Igboho òun ni ò fi yé mi, ìdí tẹ̀ fífẹ́ involve OPC òun ni ò yé mi, ìyẹn táwọn OPC bá ready láti wọgbó. We should understand that basic fact. Now àwọn kidnapper ti gbowó báyìí wọn ready láti release àwọn èèyàn owó yẹn ní ìsinyìí báyìí ṣe máa dúró ẹ̀ it will be millions of naira tí ó wá kí n ṣe 1 billion it will be millions of naira. Now they will use that particular fund to incube themselves the more. Ṣé ti rí another chapter of problem? Another chapter of problem. They will use that fund to incube themselves the more. Ibi tá ti ní problem nìyẹn báyìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sojú abẹ níkò. Ọ̀yọ́ state government, what exactly is delaying? Kí ni tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ fi lè involve àwọn tó yẹ kẹ́ involve? Wọ́n ní tí ọ̀rọ̀ bá ti le tó bá ti le jù èèyàn máa ń ṣe kí ni? Èèyàn máa ń look for plan B ni. Now àwọn èèyàn demand fún àwọn èèyàn wọn ẹ̀yin lọ san ransom. Now àwọn èèyàn demand fún àwọn èèyàn wọn, ẹ̀yin move ahead ẹ lọ san ransom. Ṣé ransom náà béèrè? Tó ayé pé ransom náà béèrè, in as much as mo wípé meet up with all the demands, you should know that fact pé they can never release those people in their captive, because automatically those people are the hostage tí wọ́n fi ń ṣe kíni, tó fi ń negotiate láàrin tó fi ń negotiate between them and the government. That's it. They are the hostage tó fi ń negotiate, and the terrorists will never leave hostage, because wọ́n mọ̀ pé táwọn bá fi àwọn hostage sílẹ̀ àwọn ti lose. So they will still keep on holding those hostage in order for them to keep negotiating with the government. The Oyo State government should do the needful.
Alright, so yesterday I got an information that the Oyo State government paid ransom money for the release of the children and teachers that were kidnapped on the 15th of May 2026 at Orire local government area in Oyo State. So it is said that the government paid ransom for the release of those children, but the kidnappers collected the money and have still refused to release those children. Today will make it 49 days in captivity, 49 days with those little children and their teachers in captivity. Tomorrow will make it 50 days with them there. And as of today, you can see all over the internet, nobody is really talking about the children anymore. Nigerians have moved on like they always do. Everybody have moved on from that topic. They are now talking about other trending issues. So everybody have moved on, right? We don't know how the children are faring. We don't even know if the children are still alive. We don't even know if they are still in Oyo State, if they have been moved to another country. We don't know what is the current status of the children, right? Now, this brings us to what I told the Oyo State governor when we protested in Oyo State, and he came out to address us on the 17th of June 2026. I told him something. I said, sir, we don't want this situation to be like Chibok. The Chibok children were kidnapped April 2014. Until today, 16 years later, the children are still in captivity. Some of them were freed 14 years later. Some of them were freed. Some of them never went back home because they were married off. Some of them were sold to other terrorist groups. They were forced to be wives. Some of them have even given birth to children for these kidnappers. 16 years later, they never went back to their family. Some of them, their parents have even died because of depression, and how sad the situation is. I told the governor this. I said, you cannot let this be like the Chibok situation. The governor said, Oyo is not Chibok, but it's slowly looking like Oyo is going to be the next Chibok. Because tomorrow will make it 50 days, 1 month, 20 days with those children in captivity. Then I told the governor, I said, we are ready. You should go into the bush. There will be collateral damage. I know what the government are scared of. They are scared of, okay, maybe when they go into the bush, that these kidnappers will just unalive the children and the teachers. But as of now, we don't even know what is happening there. We don't even know if they are still alive. Before you people even thought of going into the bush to rescue, these kidnappers came out, they unalive one of the teachers. Till now, I have refused to watch the video. They said there was a video to that effect. I refused to watch it. I only believe that there was a video because everybody said that there was a video. I cannot bring myself to watch that. You understand? So are we sure that they've not unalived some that they've not posted? The Oyo State governor assured us, the Oyo State governor assured us that the children are not going to spend as much time as they spent before we started our protest. So at the top of our head, we gave him 2 weeks. And today is making 2 weeks, 2 days, 16 days since we did the protest. The children are still in the bush, and it is said that they paid the ransom money. The kidnappers have still refused to release those children. Please, Governor Seyi Makinde, this is the time that you need to actually contact the DSS, the federal government. You need to go into that bush and rescue the children. There will be collateral damage. I'm not speaking on behalf of the parents, but I'm pretty sure that some of them already started accepting their fate. I'm pretty sure that some of them have already started accepting the fact that it's possible that these children are not going to come out again because of how our government treat issues. They only prioritize their own interest. Because as of now, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu have moved on. I watched him giving a speech yesterday, about making jest of what is trending on social media when they were calling his wife Iyakara. He was making jest of it. Meaning, to a large extent, they see what is going on the media. Or whoever prepared that speech for him at least sees what is going on the media. But here they've abandoned that topic. They've abandoned it. I know, okay, yes, when you keep talking about these things, of course, it keep emboldening the kidnappers. But then again, we are keeping quiet for too long. These children are spending slowly, 6 months. Slowly, 1 year. Slowly, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. And then it becomes the real Chibok incident. Engineer Seyi Makinde, you have to just move into that bush. You have to. There's little we can do as the citizens. You people are not ready to arm us. We've tried to give you moral support. We've tried to say, okay, yeah, we'll support the security operative. We'll go into the bush. You know very well that we cannot go on our own. But we, the people of Nigeria, and the youths that came out to protest that day, they were all ready to go into the bush with you. We are not going to, we are moving on, Nigeria. We have moved on. Tomorrow we'll make it 50 days. Today is 49 days. With them in that bush, 49 days. 49 days. 39 children and 7 teachers in the bush. One of them has been unalive. 39 children and 6 teachers in the bush. Tomorrow we'll make it 50 days. 50 days. Those children have not seen their parents. One of the teachers was holding a child that is less than 2 years old in the video. She was packing the child.
Níṣẹ́ ọjọ́ méje mo rí wípé wọ́n pa obìnrin ọ̀gá àgbà akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ obìnrin tó ṣe fídíò táwọn bandits ń lò tó ń go fara yẹn mo rí pé wọ́n pa láàrin oníṣẹ́ ọjọ́ méje ẹgbẹ́ ìran àmì ní eléyìí kì í ṣe ìrántí ẹnikẹ́ni gbọ́dọ̀ ṣàbàdà lé lórí ẹ jẹ́ ká kú fún àdúrà lẹ́bàá bá ṣírí ìràwọ̀ lórúkọ tèmi sà wọ́n bí ìran tí Olúwa fi hàn mí òun ni mo sọ sà ìjọba Nàìjíríà ẹ má jọ pa obìnrin yìí o ìjọba Ọ̀yọ́ state ẹ má jọ pa obìnrin yìí àkókò yóò kì í ṣe àkókò tí Sunday Igboho yóò máa bá Gani Adams jà tí Gani Adams yóò máa bá Sunday Igboho jà táwọn Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn tí wọ́n jọ máa bára wọn jà àkókò tí gbogbo wọn gbọ́dọ̀ parapọ̀ ta gbọ́dọ̀ wá gbogbo ọ̀nà láàrin oníṣẹ́ ọjọ́ méje wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ lọ gbà wọ́n sílẹ̀ if not wọ́n máa pa obìnrin yìí o wọ́n pa obìnrin láàrin oníṣẹ́ ọjọ́ méje.
tó kí náà dà bá yọ ibo là ń lọ báyìí gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà gbogbo àwa ọmọ Yorùbá kí la máa ṣe kí la ó ṣe